Back at the hotel room, as you can see, this is the view out my window. My little patio section right here. Room to stand in, bedroom. It's Pledgerellas. It is sound check time, so I'm going downstairs. Follow me downstairs. Had a great time out here so far. I drove from here to the hotel to a different city to get my hair cut. And talk to you soon. Showtime tonight. Nice spot. I like the. Ooh, this is gonna be nice. Big, huh? Backstage, sound check, sound check. See? How you on my way? There we go. Backstage, Lionel Richie. I'm back from sound check. I'm back for sound check. It's Pledgerellas, man. I'm on the road right now. Hammer time. This year's 2013 has been a blessing in my life. A lot of great things are lined up. I'm excited about life. A lot of great things in business. I'm starting a lot of different businesses. Quiet as kept. I'm telling you though, I'm starting a lot of different businesses. A lot of different things are going down. And I'm on the road hammer time right now at the moment. I'm in Santa Barbara area. I passed by Michael Jackson's area. Gorgeous out here. I love it. It's beautiful out here. Man, I love to move here, man. Now I understand why he lived here. So beautiful, so peaceful. This is wonderful out here. God bless you. And I'll take you to the show tonight. I'm going to take you to the show tonight to see what's going on. Right now, I'm currently online like I always do. You know, I'll be on Facebook and I'll be on Twitter. All right? God bless you.